Welcome back to Televeda's Digital Literacy Training Series. Today, we will learn how to make video calls and send photos by text message using your smartphone. Both are useful tips for staying connected with loved ones and sharing all those precious moments in life. Stick with us and you'll have the skills to communicate effectively and share moments with ease. Let's dive in and get connected. First, let's learn how to make a video call. There are several apps that can be used for making video calls. Because we don't always know whether our contact is using an Android or Apple device like iPhone, it's important to first make sure you'll be sending a video call on an app that you both have. Some common apps for video calling are FaceTime, WhatsApp, Google Meet, Zoom, or Facebook Messenger. So before making a video call, it's best to ensure that both you and your contact have the same app installed. If you're starting on an iPhone, there's a quick way to check which apps your contact has available for making a video call. Tap the phone icon, then tap the Contacts tab at the bottom. To find the contact you'd like to video call, you can use the search bar or simply scroll down until you see their name and select it. In your contacts profile, you'll see a row of icons near the top. Tap on the video icon. This will show a list of the apps both you and your contact have available for a video call. If you see one labeled FaceTime, you can tap it to FaceTime them directly. If you did not see the FaceTime option, this contact does not have an Apple device, so it's better to use another app to video call each other. If you do not see an option to select, coordinate with your contact so that you and your contact can both install one of the same apps I mentioned before. If you're starting on an Android phone, the process is similar. Find and tap the phone icon, and then tap Contacts. Either search for your contact in the search bar, or scroll to find their name and tap on the icon next to their name. On their profile screen, scroll to the section that says Connected Apps. This is where you'll see a list of commonly shared apps that you can use to make a video call. In this case, the contact has WhatsApp, which will work well for making a video call. Tap the drop-down arrow and select Video Call. That's it. You're now ready to make video calls on your iPhone or Android phone. Next, let's learn how to send a photo in a text message. On your iPhone, open the Messages app, which looks like a green speech bubble icon. Select the conversation you want to send a photo in, or start a new message by tapping the Compose button in the top right corner. Tap the plus icon next to the text input field and select Photos to open your photo library. Select the photo you want to send, add any text if you'd like, and tap the Send button, which looks like an upward arrow. For Android phones, open the Messages app, which looks like a blue speech bubble icon. Tap the Start Chat button, or if you see the person you want to message in the list of recent text messages, tap their name. Tap the camera icon next to the text input field to open your camera or photo gallery. Choose the photo you want to send, add any text if you'd like, and tap the Send button, which looks like a paper airplane. Now you know how to make video calls and send photos and text messages on both iPhone and Android smartphones. Stay tuned for more helpful tips and tutorials from Televeda. Thanks for watching.